distribution here, right next to the river that's knocked out the road. All the flooding from up above is coming still down as the Kenya Defense Force works to kind of reroute some water. So they're calling names for this community that has very, very little people coming to it because it's pretty impossible. We have rain that is falling, and we have people that are walking back up the mountain. This is part of the problem. Yesterday they were digging, making a diversion for the water to block and force it another way, but the rains last night were so intense it blew through the diversion and all those rocks and started flowing again down. So more work to be done, but in the meantime there's help that is coming. Just a little traffic jam during our food distribution. Oh boy. It's always something. But you know, in Kenya there's always a way. Yeah, we'll just clear a path. We'll just